Hello creative coders, welcome to our channel Creative Coding. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can add font awesome icons into our web page. We're also going to learn how we can style or animate our font awesome icons using CSS. So Font Awesome is a library which provides you 7,000 plus icons for you to use in your web page. So if you're new to our channel, my name is Shikhar Bania. I'm an educator, mentor, and web developer. I have been in web development for the past 3 years. You can find me on Instagram as CreoCodigo, where I post content related to web development daily. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about Newton School first. Newton School is a platform which provides individuals a career in tech. It has courses specially designed for freshers, individuals, working professionals, and even women who don't have any knowledge in tech. Around 300 companies hire from Newton School, and Newton School also provides a pay after placement policy under which you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until and unless you are placed with a bare minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Sounds great, right? Let's talk about another initiative taken by Newton School called Launchpad. So Launchpad is for those who want to start their coding journey from scratch. It has all the courses that you need to start a coding journey like Java, Python, data structures, JavaScript, Node.js, SQL, you name it, they have it. And the main advantage of using this Launchpad is you get a certificate of completion, you get a developer community, you got the best instructors to teach you, you also got a hands-on experiences, and you will become job ready. And all of this Newton School is providing for free. Yes, so don't forget to check that out. So here we are in the code editor, and in order to use font awesome icons in your web page, there are two ways basically. First, you can download all of the font awesome libraries and include the path of that library in your HTML. Or there is an easy method called CDN, Content Delivery Network, through which all of the libraries comes through CDN into your HTML, and then you can directly use it in your web page. So let's include the Font Awesome CDN in your HTML. So let's go to Font Awesome website. So this is the website of Font Awesome. You have to first sign in this website. I have already signed it, and then you want to go Font Awesome CDN. Okay, click on it. It will generate a unique key for your account. Okay, so this is the CDN that we have to use. Okay, so just copy it, go to your HTML, and then paste it below the title. Okay, so this is the link where all of your icons come. Okay, so if suppose I click on this link, it will show us all of the CSS stylings that we want to use. Okay, these all are just classes. Okay, and they already have the predefined stylings for every icon. You just have to include that class in your web page. Okay, so we have included the CDN. Let's go see what exactly Font Awesome is. Font Awesome get vector icons and social logos on your website with Font Awesome, the web's most popular icon set and toolkit. Okay, so there are two versions. First is for free. You get limited number of icons, and the second one is Pro, where you can edit your icons as per your requirement. Okay, so as you can see, Pro users got this feature introducing duotone icons. Okay, you can change the color of the icons as per you want. It has around 7864 icons. Okay, approximately 70 plus categories for every icon, and you can use in various frameworks like React, Angular, and even Figma. Okay, and the main part, you can extract your font or some icon in SVG, so that further, if you want to animate your SVG, you can do that. Okay, so let's search for one icon. Let's say HTML. So as you can see, we got these icons for HTML, and the ones that are highlighted, they are for free, and the ones that are disabled, they are for pro users. Okay, they are for premium users. So you have to pay for that, and let's use this one, HTML5. Click on it, and as you can see, we got this SVG file. Okay, and you can download it as SVG as well. Okay, and if you want to use this icon in your HTML, you just have to copy this line. Okay, let's copy it. Go to our editor, and let's paste it inside the body tag. Okay, so I represents icon in Fontosum library. Class represents what type of icon do you want. Okay, so FAB is the generic class, and FA-HTML5 is that particular HTML5 icon class. Okay, so this uniquely specifies every icon. So as you can see, we got this HTML icon. Okay, so let's see how we can style this in our CSS. So first, let me target the body. Okay, display it as flex, align items center. Okay, justify content center. Let me specify a height of 100 view height. So as you can see, we got our icon in the center of our output. Okay, now if you want to edit a particular icon, just write I, since we have the I tag for icon. Okay, curly braces open close, and now you can edit this icon. So first, let me increase the size. So every icon in your HTML which are provided by Font Awesome doesn't need any width or height. You just specify the font size. Okay, and let's say 75 pixel. So using this, you can increase or decrease the size of your icon. Okay, let me add 95. All right. So yes, now I want to change the color. So like for any text, like for any font, you use color. So color, let's say red. Okay, so we can see the color is now changed. All right. And you can apply almost any kind of styling to your icon, like treat this icon as text, and then you can edit it as per you want. Okay, so let's try animate this. In order to animate anything, you have to write animation, then let's say spin 1 second infinite. Okay, now I have to declare this animation. So at the rate keyframes spin. Okay, now I'm going to use from and to method. Okay, from start till end. Okay, from means from where you have to start your animation. To means at what point do you want to complete your animation. Okay, so in from, I want to transform it and then rotate it to 0 degree, and then till I want to rotate, till when I want to rotate, till 360. That means the whole circle. Okay, so now as you can see, it is rotating uh, and completing a whole circle. Okay, and it is taking 1 second to complete the animation. So this is how you can animate your icons. Okay, thanks for watching till the end, guys, and I think you might have learned something new out of this video. If you have any doubt related to this video about how you can add CDNs, about how to animate your icons using CSS, comment down under the comment section, or you can contact me on these social media handles. I would love to help you out. And if you haven't checked the Newton School website yet, I recommend you to check out their website and learn more about the services they are providing. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.